The car is smoking heavily. I am sitting on it in the infield. I don't think anything's on fire, so I don't know whether I should sit here or get out.